Welcome back. I thought it might be quite nice just to have a look at putting everything that we've learnt together so far on an audit report. So let's have a look at this audit report. So remember we said opinion now comes first, so notice that. And it says, in our opinion, the accompanying financial statements present fairly, or is a true and fair view. So this is a true and fair view opinion. And it's done in accordance with IFRSs. Okay, so far, so good. Basis for opinion. We conducted our audit in accordance with ISAs, so ISAs mentioned there. Our responsibilities are further down, further described in a section further along. We are independent. Notice that's being stressed now. We are independent of the company in accordance with ethical requirements. So really important that we've done that. And we believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate. Okay, then we have this material uncertainty, which is the third one. This paragraph only shows up if there is a material uncertainty relating to going concern. Not a doubt, a material uncertainty. And the way you do it, it says we draw attention to note whatever, in this question note 6, in the financial statements, which indicates that the company made a loss of 125,000. Okay, and that its current liabilities exceeded its total assets. So we have this fundamental uncertainty going on, and you're explaining why. As stated in note 6, these events or conditions, along with other matters, indicate that material uncertainty, not just a doubt, exists. They cast significant doubt, that's the other thing that you have to write in, they cast significant doubt on the company's ability to carry on as a going concern, and then you must also write, our opinion is not modified though. Okay, we're not saying that they are not a going concern, we are just saying there's a material uncertainty which casts significant doubt, but we're still happy with note 6. We still think that note 6 has adequately and properly disclosed it. Key audit matters then, well obviously the going concern was a key audit matter, but it's got its own paragraph above there. So it says key audit matters are those matters which in our judgment were of the most significance. These matters were addressed in the context of our audit of the financial statements yet, and we do not provide a separate opinion on these matters. So you can put that in. It's not a separate opinion, it's just something that was significant to us. In addition to the matter described above, because obviously that is a key audit matter, we have determined the matters below, obviously, and then you go on to do the CAMs. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how a material uncertainty has its own heading. If this was just a doubt over going concern, but not a material uncertainty, then that paragraph wouldn't exist. It would just be a key audit matter, that we did have a doubt, but we've now got evidence that suggests it's no longer a material uncertainty. But I thought it was just quite nice just to see this really, see a proper report and how it could all be shown.